just unreal. I couldn't have ever imagined it would have been this big.
These pictures show what Stephen Fitchie's son's land used to look like. Overnight, it turned into this.
Pretty gnarly, huh?
Land now being swept away, sloughing off into a fast-moving creek.
It's a gigantic problem.
His 23-year-old son, Travis, bought this property on Jerome Prairie Road in Grants Pass a couple of years ago.
He spent the last 2 years of his life and every nickel he had trying to get this place, buy this place, and do it, right?
Knowing the property housed a large culvert maintained by Grants Pass Irrigation District.
Every neighbor has complained about this for the years. Every year it erodes more and more and more. Trees fall, break power lines, etc.
Fitchie says his repeated calls to the irrigation district were basically ignored. He says they told him,
"We don't have the money, we don't have the funds, we don't have the time, come out and fill some paperwork."
And when he tried to take matters into his own hands,
So I started taking the concrete over here with my excavator and packing it in against the erosion that's coming behind the pipe.
He says he was told to stop. Left neglected this winter, he says the pipe finally cracked, and with the heavy rains this week, the culvert broke overnight, taking a small bridge, trees, fences, and land with it.
It's eaten up about, 20 feet of their property, and it's still going. Trees are falling over.
Power was also lost to parts of the neighborhood, and fast-moving water continues to eat away at Fitchie's son's hard-earned property. He says they don't know where to go from here and fears the worst may be to come.
I don't imagine there's any way to fix this until summer, and with the rest of the winter's rains, it's going to get worse and worse and worse. It's not over.
In Grants Pass, Taylor Ryan, NBC 5 News.